Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs in Telugu States. Now I am going to upload question paper Library Information Assistant question paper. This is recently conducted by CCRAS Center for Center Council for Research Ayurvedic Sciences. It's located in New Delhi. So please viewers, those who are viewing my channel, please subscribe and please click on bell icon for more notifications in future. So now go through this video. I am explaining question and answers. Please watch my channel for more updates in future also. Weekly now I am going to plan at least 2 question papers, explain every week. So please subscribe my channel. Now we will start. First question, Unix is the example. Unix is the example of answer is operating system. Answer is operating system. And second question is books are for preservation is replaced with which law of library science? The answer is first law of library science. Books are for preservation is replaced with first law of library science. Friends, these first five questions, page number, this first page, first five questions, some options are jumbled because I downloaded this question paper from site. So at that time the first options are some jumbled, so you can right answer, you can easily find out that green highlighted one is the right answer, and I will also explain clearly. And third question is e-shows Sindhu service provided by e-shows Sindhu e-service is provided by. Answer is Inflibnet. Answer Inflibnet. And for question number 3. And fourth question is the reference source which is called the storehouse of knowledge. Answer is encyclopedia. Option A is the answer, encyclopedia. And question number 5, which of the following activities is the element of marketing mix? Answer is promotion. Answer is promotion. Next, question number 6. We'll go for next page. One second. Option. Okay. Next, question number 7. The bulletin published by Indian Library Association is renamed as. Answer is Journal of Indian Library Association. Journal of Indian Library Association. Option 2 is correct answer. Next, question number 8. Kudbaksha Oriental Public Library located at. It's a basic and simple bit, and it's a repeated question. Various exams is already seen. Kudbaksha Oriental Public Library is Patna, located at Patna. INSDAC was established in the year. It's also important and repeated question. 1952. INSDAC established in 1952. User profile is component of selective dissemination of information. SDI. User profile is component of selective dissemination of information services. Option 4 is the right answer for 10th question. Next, 11th one. A condensed note that presents the objective scope findings of research paper is abstract. It is called abstract. This also easy one and repeated one. 11th one answer abstract. Abstract is the right answer. When two or more computers directly linked with a room or office or campus, it is called LAN, local area network. LAN is the right answer. So the green one, LAN is the right answer for question number 12. And we'll go for next page. Question number 13. The technique instrumental in ganging the process regress of the library, it gives time. So given time is called library statistics. We will repeat once again the question. The technique instrumentation gangline process, gangline progress and regress of the library at a given time is called library statistics. Right answer is library statistics. This is somewhat difficult question. compared to other questions. Question number 13 answer is library statistics, and question number 14 the flow chart which gives information about position of the employees in the organization is called organizational structure. This is this question asked from management, library management subject part. So question number 14 answer is organization structure. Question number 15 the publication wing of DRDO providing scientific and technical information on current developments in defense research and development is called DECIDOC. So answer is 15th question, answer is DECIDOC. Next question number 16th university libraries type of university libraries academic libraries, a repeated and simple basic bit. And the term of librometry first coined by S.R. Ranganathan. The term of librometry first coined by answer is S.R. Ranganathan for question number 17. And question number 18 who declared open the library National Library of India? Who declared open the National Library of India? Whom declared? So answer is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad is the right answer. Next, library management software SOL is developed by. SOL is developed by this repeated and common, and we will see in so many library examinations. InflibNet is the right answer for question number 19. I will go for next page. Question number 20. Question number 20. UGC set up in India in the year 1953. So UGC Act is set up in India which year? So 1953 is the right answer. Which of the following operating systems is promoted by Microsoft? Windows. Windows is the right answer. As a simple one. And which university in India introduced BLIC course first? Which university introduced BLIC course, Bachelor of Library Information Science course first? Is right answer is Aligarh Muslim University. Aligarh Muslim University introduced BLIC course first. Next question number 23. National Medical Library in India located at Delhi. National Medical Library of India located at Delhi is the right answer for question number 23. 24. Scholar chain principle means hierarchy of authority. This is also repeated one, simple. It's in so many question papers. Scholar chain principle means hierarchy of authority. PPBS stands for is define the PPB planning, programming, budgeting system. PPBS means planning, programming, budgeting system. Question number 25. Next question number 26. CIP cataloging in publication program introduced by whom? What? Which organization? CIP cataloging in publication program introduced by. We will go for next page. Introduced by Library Congress. CIP cataloging in publication introduced by Library Congress. Next question number 27. A collection of websites on particular subject is called subject gateways. Right answer is subject gateway. Option A. Collection of websites on particular subjects are called subject gateways. Next question number 28. Market program in the other name for. Market program is the other name for marketing mix. Option B is the right answer. Green highlighted one. Market mix is the right answer for question number 28. Next question number 29. Books are for the chosen few replaced by which law of library science? Books are for chosen few replaced by which law of library science? Right answer is second law. Second law of total 5 laws of library science. Second law is replaced by books are for chosen few. So question number 29 right answer second law. And question number 30. Autumn index brought out by INIS. Autumn index is brought out by INIS. This is also repeated question. Question number 30. INIS is the right answer. Which of the following is a programming language? Which of the following is a programming language is the Fortran. Fortran is the programming language. Next, Kannamera Public Library located at, this is a basic simple bit in library science, is Chennai. Kannamera Public Library is located Chennai. For question number 32. Next, question number 33. What are the two parts of annual report of library? Annual report of library, two parts. What are the two parts? Asking. Question number 33. We will go next page. The two parts of annual report is descriptive and statistical. Descriptive and statistical are the two parts of annual reports in library. In second generation of computers, the technology used, which 5 generation of computers is basic questions asking all examinations. So here question number 34 asking second generation of computers, which technology is used? Transistors used in second generation of computers. And question number 35, who devised expensive classification? Answer is C.A. Cutter. Is a simple repeated question. C.A. expensive classification, C.A. Cutter. And chain indexing is developed by question number 36. Chain indexing is developed by S.R. Ranganathan. Right answer is S.R. Ranganathan. Question number 37. DESIDAC established in the year 1967 is the right answer. Question number 37. DESIDAC established in the year 1967. OAI stands for, question number 38. OAI, Open Archives Initiative, is the right answer. Open Archives Initiative is the right answer. This is a simple and repeated question. And question number 39. The name of Library Association of India. The name of library, National Library Association of India. Indian Library Association, ILA. Indian Library Association is the name of the National Library Association. Next, question number 40. We will go for question number 40. Which one of the following is not information service? Which one out of 4 options, one is not information service? That one is mobile library service is not a information service. Current aware course, translation service, indexing services are information services. That is 40. Answer is mobile library service. Next, 41. Question number 41. The book Library Administration, authored by S.R. Ranganathan, first published in the year 1935. This commonly asking is a simple one, repeated question. Library Administration, author is S.R. Ranganathan, is published in the year of 1935. Expand WAN, wide area network. Expand WAN is wide area network. Question number 42 answer, wide area network. Next, question number 43. National Library of a country is a repository of books. National Library is a repository exclusive for repository of books. So question number 43, right answer, repository of books. Roget Thesaurus was published in the year. Roget Thesaurus was published in the year 1852 is the right answer. Next, the statement to provide right book to the right reader at right time. To provide right book to the right reader at right time. The statement given by F.K. Dury. Dury principle. So as for Dury, stated right book at right reader at right time. So question number 45, Dury is the answer. Next, we will go for question number 46. The most appropriate type of computers for library. The most appropriate type of computers for library is digital computers is right answer. Question number 46, digital computers. Next, question number 47. The concept of CO, acronym for postcarb, Ruther Gulick given. So in this abbreviation is particular asking coordination. CO means coordination, planning, organization, like that. What is it is defines CO means coordination. So 47 right answer coordination, and 48 is an example of trade bibliography is asking out of 4 options. Books in print is a trade bibliography. This also basic information and basic question. Trade bibliography, books in print. So right answer is books in print for question number 48. Next question number 49, the budget which divides expenditure into into broad categories such as salaries, etc. The budget which defines expenditure into broad categories such as salaries, etc. is called library budget. This also simple one. 49 is the right answer is library budget. Next question number 50. Question number 50, current awareness service is the example of anticipatory service. Current awareness service is anticipatory service. So 50 question number 50 right answer anticipatory service. For question number 51, which one of the following is a search engine? Google is a search engine, and out of 4 options, Chrome, Explorer, Mozilla, these are browsers. So through elimination process, Google is the right answer, is a search engine. Google, say Bing, Yahoo, these all are search engines. Next question number 52, in CCC classified catalog code, class index entries were prepared only for sort link. Answer is sort link. This is UGC net library science repeated question, UGC net previous question. Sort link is the right answer for question number 52. And question number 53, zero based budgeting was developed by Peter Hyer. Peter Hyer is zero based budgeting Peter Hyer is the right answer for zero based budgeting for question number 53. And question number 54, which network topology the workstations are directly connected in a closed loop configuration? Right answer is ring topology. Which topology? The workstations are directly connected in a closed loop configuration. Right answer is ring. Analytical engine was designed by question number 55, Charles Babbage is the right answer. And question number 56, which of the following is a primary source? Which of the following is primary source? Primary sources, secondary, tertiary sources. Which of the following is primary source is asking in this question, primary source only. So out of 4 options, manuscript is the primary source, remaining are secondary and tertiary sources. And question number 57, the scientific principles of management put forth by scientific management, everyone knows F.W. Taylor. So it's a basic one, is UGC repeated question, UGC net question also. Next question number 58, who was the first librarian of New Imperial Library of Independent India? B.S. Keshavan. This is also simple one and repeated question. Who was the first librarian of New Imperial Library, Independent India? So answer is B.S. Keshavan. And question number 59, the bibliographic database of National Agriculture Library. Which one is the bibliographic database of National Agriculture Library? Agricola. Answer is Agricola for 59th question. Agricola is the right answer. Next question number 60, the visual display unit used as a visual display unit is a input device or output device. In this question asking, VDU is belongs to output device. Output device is the right answer. Which section maintains the overdue register? Overdues register library, which section maintaining circulation section is the right option, and is a common and practical question. And 61 question number 61, circulation section is the right answer. Next question number 62, The system of budgeting, MBO stands for, MBO means everyone knows, Peter Drucker, management by objective. Management by objective is the right answer. MBO defines and MBO given by Peter Drucker. So question number 62, management by object is the right answer. And question number 63, the book Five Laws of Library Science by S.R. Ranganathan, first published in the year 1931. It's enacted in 1928. The book Five Laws of Library Science is published by Ranganathan in which year it is asking. So right answer is 1931 for question number 63. Next question number 64, which of the following is publication of RRLF and Raja Ramohan Rai Library Foundation publication, which is a Raja Ramohan Rai Library Foundation publication. So out of four options, Granthana is the publication of RRLF. So 64 answer is Granthana. So 65 is the last question in this question paper. The geographic scope of world of learning, say international. World of learning is a directory. It's a geographical scope. So this is a national or international in this question asking. So it's a international. World of learning is a directory. Say international geographical scope. So friends, out of 100 questions, 65 from library science, remaining are GK and mathematics, English oriented questions. So in this video I am explaining only library part, 65 questions only. So thanks for watching my video, friends. So please subscribe my channel Jobs in Telugu States and click on bell icon for getting alerts. Now I am going to saying I will upload more question papers rarely seen. It's central government organized so many question papers I have. So keep watching. Thank you so much, friends.